Hello, we are Team Solar Engineers, and our project focuses on analyzing genomics of drug sensitivity in cancer. I am Mohit Agarwal, and my team members are Pradeep, Malhar, and Saurav. So, moving to our dataset, the GDSC dataset provides data on drug sensitivity across various cancer cell lines. It links drug efficiency to genetic and molecular profiles, helping researchers understand how different cancers respond to treatments. The problem statement we have is cancer treatments often lack precision due to diverse diverse drug responses. Identifying effective drugs for specific cancer types is complex, and it leads to suboptimal treatments and reduced patient outcomes. So there is a need for a comprehensive system to analyze drug sensitivity pattern and informed decisions. So the purpose is to analyze sensitivity data and visualize it for actionable insights into cancer treatments. The scope is to focus on drug sensitivity metrics like LNIC50 and AUC, and to explore genetic and pathway related impacts of drugs. So the objective we have is to identify the most impactful drugs and their targeted pathways, and to understand the relationship between drug sensitivity and cancer types. So to provide real-time insights through an interactive dashboard. Uh, Over to you, Pradeep.
Thank you, Mohit. So this is our dashboard that we have created using Power BI. So these are the buttons that we can navigate through. So uh, this is our main GDSC insights where on left hand side there are four main KPIs. First one is unique drugs which are present in our data set. Second one is that average drug sensitivity value. Third one is the most effective drug, which is the dictomycin, which is our most effective drugs based on the IC LNIC50 value. And this is the most responsive cancer type, which is the CLL. It means that it responses very well towards the LNIC50 value. So coming back to our first visuals, which is the competitive drug sensitivity, it shows the top 10 drugs based on the alien IC50 value. So lower is the value, the more is the effective drug. Now, coming back to the next visual, which is the based on the drug name, it calculates the it is showing the value average value of alien IC50 and average value of AUC. So the more is the difference, the more is effective drug. So now these are our slicers for our project. So cancer type. So based on the cancer type, we can select the we can see the visuals accordingly. Now this is now I'm handing over to the Mallar. He will explain the further visuals of our project.
Thank you, Pradeep. As you can see, this graph is showing the drug performance by the drug name, and it has various values written in it. So what it shows is the higher the number it is, the higher the drug performance, and it calculates the sum of the AUC, and the drug name which is the most effective is the fulvestrant. And going to the next page. And so as you can see from this page, we have lots more graphs, which first graph is showing the drug distribution by MSI, which is the microsatellite instability status. It shows all the count of the drugs which are used on patients till now, and it shows a very high rate of positive, which is 88%. And going to the second graph, it shows the average area under curve of growth property and drugs. So it shows uh, four types of drugs, and the high the value which is closer to 1, it is the most effective. As you can see, there is suspension, there is adherence, and as you can see, all the numbers are between 0.8 and 0.9. And this is as closer to 1, it is the most effective. And now I will like to hand it over to Saurabh. Saurabh,
Mic
you
on.
mute.
Thank you, Malla. So next graph is about the distribution by methylation and sensitivity. So it compares the sensitivity based on the methylation categories like Y and U, where U is like unknown. And a methylation analysis aids in identifying epigenetic factors which affecting the drug response. And the next graph is about the GDSC tissue, which is average ALN-IC 50 and AUC comparison. The graph where ALN-IC 50 reflect the drug potency, which shows that the lower the value means higher the potential, and AUC indicates the effectiveness of the drug. So the overall the graph is comparing the drug sensitivity across the tissue types. Here we have also added the button which is showing the various tissue descriptors, like we can choose here, and accordingly it will reflect in the graph. The next graph is about the TCGA and drug average ALN-IC 50 comparison, which where TCGA projects are listed with the associated drugs, and ALN-IC 50 value shows how effective each drug is for the specific cancers. So the next page. Uh, so basically, our dashboard is analyzing the genomic drug sensitivity in cancer, and from this analysis we have draw some insights, which is like top drugs by sensitivity, then pathway impact analysis, then drug efficacy trend, and also the comparative analysis and mutation insights. So these are the some insights we have drawn. Thank you.